Welcome back, Navi. Navi! Just unmute once you're ready, Navi. Know that you're still on mute, Navi, so once you're ready, please start. Hi, Navi. What is happening, Navi? Are you okay, Navi? Navi! Okay, so now you are back. So let us start right away, Navi, with your presentation. I think you are more than ready now.
Yes.
Okay, this is a picture.
This is a picture of a market. There are four people in this picture. There's a man. He's pushing two babies. The man is wearing a blue t-shirt and orange trousers. And two babies are wearing red t-shirt and blue trousers. And the babies are on the, the blue pushing
Stroller.
stroller. And there's um, a woman. She is calling on a phone with someone, and sh- and she and she is looking to something. There there
He's
are
wearing
grapes, orange, watermelon, and pineapple. There are many bread and some flowers on the table. there are breads like sandwiches, breads, and many kinds of bread. It's like and there is a a juice is on the ground. The, and everyone is happy and the the day is good.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Navi. Now, in here, Navi, you forgot to say what mom is wearing. You only said that she's talking to someone on the phone and looking somewhere, but you did not say that she's wearing a pink shirt and gray tights. Okay? And as well, you forgot to say that dad is carrying a basket, Navi, and he is not pushing the baby. This is what pushing means, Navi. Like for example, here are the babies pushing. Okay, that is pushing, Navi. He is not pushing the baby, he's pushing the stroller. Okay.
Pushing the baby.
Yes, it's different, Navi. And as well, you forgot to talk about the toy monkey that the baby wants to get. Okay, so you can say the baby on the left is trying to get his toy monkey on the floor, while the other one wants to get some oranges. Okay, you can add that, Navi, but yes, that is a lot better than I expected. Okay, thank you so much. Very good, Navi. You have improved. Okay, and it shows in your performance. Now let us talk about it. Do you want to read it?
No,
No. Why not?
you you say because I say about the picture and answer the question.
Okay, so it's my turn now to talk. Okay, so now this is a picture of a supermarket. There are four people in the picture. One man, one woman, and two boys. The man is pushing a trolley and carrying a basket. He is wearing a blue shirt, orange trousers, and brown shoes. The woman is talking on the phone. She has a yellow hair. There are three pineapples on the shelf. The grapes are purple and green. The flowers are on the table. There is also a toy monkey on the floor. Everyone looks happy and busy. Okay, there you have it. Now we see it's a little similar to how you presented it. Okay, just don't forget to talk about what the people are wearing and what they are doing, Navi. Now, let us proceed to the next picture. Okay, when was the last time you went for a swim, Navi?
Every day I go to
Oh,
swim.
every day? Really? You have a swimming class?
Yes,
Wow, that's really nice. Okay, but you swim on the pool. I mean, in the pool, not on the beach.
sometimes I go in the beach.
Oh,
Yesterday, we need to go to the beach, but we're busy and we don't go.
okay, I see. Yes, I understand, Navi, because your parents, they are very busy. Now, Navi, let us have this one. Can you tell me where are the people?
Mm, Better are in the pool. Huh? What is this? The alligator wants to play.
I think that's just a toy alligator, though. That's not a real alligator.
No, but why the alligator with the toy just like this, but the alligator with this.
Okay, great
And
observation. Maybe that's their
and
pet. Maybe they have a pet alligator.
look at the girl.
Okay.
And look at the alligator.
Okay. Now, Navi,
I
can you
think the
tell me?
girl is teaching the alligator.
Okay, they're waving at each other. Okay, they're
Can
waving
you
to each
make it
other.
bigger, bigger, bigger? Mm, Make it bigger.
It's big now.
The alligator has eyes,
Yes, of
real
course, Navi.
eyes.
So it's alive, Navi. It's not
Yes,
a toy. Oh, okay. So
I
it's
think in
waving.
this
It's
water have a
waving to the
shark.
girl. Maybe it's the girl's pet, Navi.
I don't think so. I think the girl who sits on the alligator.
Okay, so probably they are friends, Navi. I believe the alligator is the girl's
I think
friend.
the alligator is the friend of a girl.
Yes, I believe so. So, okay, now can you tell me where are they in this picture, Navi?
They are at the swimming pool.
Okay, yes, they are. They are in the backyard,
I think the
Navi.
I think
Okay.
the alligator is it's the boyfriend of a girl.
No, I don't think so. Okay, so now, Navi, let us have this one. Can you tell me what are the woman and the girl on the chairs doing?
They're drinking.
Uh, They are?
They're drinking.
They're drinking? Are you sure? Are they drinking?
Yes.
No, they're not
They're
drinking.
reading news or looking at their sister or and her sister or her daughter.
Okay, well, in here, Navi, it's pretty obvious that they are reading a book. Okay, they are reading a book, Navi. Now, what is the girl in the red dress doing?
Mm,
What is the girl in the red dress doing?
mm,
What is she doing, Navi? What do you think, Navi?
mm, I think there are
What is the girl in the red dress doing? What is she doing, Navi?
red dress
Yeah,
here. This girl,
that girl, the one I've encircled, Navi.
she she is waving to the alligator.
Okay, yes, she is indeed a Navi. Okay, now who is wearing glasses?
It's the girl and her mom.
Okay, yes, very good. And okay, wait. What can you see in the swimming pool?
The swimming pool is
What can
I
you
can
see?
see things the who doesn't swim we can take it to use it.
Okay, yeah, you can see a swimming ring. Okay, and a girl. So, Is there a towel, Navi? Is there a towel?
Yes, there are.
There are?
Ah, there is.
What color is it?
It's pink.
Okay, very good. Navi, what is the crocodile doing?
It's waving to the girl.
Okay, yes, very good, Navi. And is it sunny or cloudy?
Mm, can you come down?
Okay. Is it sunny or cloudy, Navi?
It's sunny.
Okay, yes, very good. It is a sunny there. How many cups are on the table?
Can you make it bigger and biggest?
How many cups are there, Navi?
The 3.
Okay, there are 3 cups on the table. Where is the ball?
The ball is next to the towel.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Navi, and we're done. So I'll give you 2 minutes to think and organize your ideas, and we will start with the presentation, okay? Two minutes, Navi. Are you sleepy?
No, teacher.
Maybe you're tired now? Is Emma in your house, Navi?
No.
Oh,
Today's no, but tomorrow.
oh, tomorrow she'll be there. Okay. Oh, Emma will go to Thailand tomorrow. Oh, I think,
Today.
yes, they went to Thailand. So she won't be there tomorrow.
Yes. Teacher, why they don't put the towel up on the chair, but why they put on the ground?
Maybe it's wet, Navi, and they're trying to dry it out. That is why.
I don't think so.
Well, most Filipinos, Navi, that is what we normally do if it is wet. Okay, we put, well, you can see her feet. That's why you're drawing it. Okay, so are you ready now, Navi? Shall we start now? Wait, no way. It's not her feet.
But why I cannot see her feet? I think because the water is so small.
Oh, no. Probably it's really deep, Navi. Probably it's really deep. That's why you can see her feet. Okay, so now let us start with the presentation right away. Navi, start now.
I don't think so. I think it's equal this girl leg, and her leg is it's here and it's here. The
Mm,
swimming pool will belong here.
okay. So now, Navi, let us start. Okay, let's start now.
But when it's short, the alligator cannot swim.
So maybe it'll just wait for the girl next to the pool. Okay, let us start now, Navi.
Mm, I think the alligator want to show the girl another pool.
Okay, this is a picture of a swimming pool.
This is the picture of a swimming pool. There are three people and one pet. There is a woman. She is wearing a pink pink t- pink t-shirt and purple shorts and and red and a red book. There's a girl. She is wearing a yellow shirt and a white t-shirt. There are two books near her. It's green and blue. Teacher, what is that?
Where? Where? Oh, shoes, Navi, shoes.
And the pink shoes,
Red shoes.
red shoes. And there's a girl. She's swimming in a pond, and she's
Pool, not a
wading to
pond.
the alley, a pool. She's wearing a red dress, and she's wading to the alligator. There is a red thing to someone don't know to swim. They will use it. There's a ball and a towel on the ground. There and the towel is pink and the ball is colorful. There's an alligator. It's waving to the girl. It's green and it's smiling. This this is a great day and everyone is happy.
Okay, great job, Navi. There you have it. Okay, so wonderful, Navi. Okay, so indeed, that is accurate. Okay, so now, Navi, let's us talk about the given answer here. So wait, let me show the picture to you. Now, this is a picture of a garden by the swimming pool. There are three cups on the table. There are some people enjoying a sunny day. The woman and the girl on the chairs are reading a book. The girl with the yellow shorts is wearing glasses. Another girl on the red dress is playing in the water and waving at the crocodile. The crocodile is waving at the girl in the red dress too. In the swimming pool, I can see a red and white rubber ring. There is a pink and red towel on the grass. The ball is on the grass next to the towel. It is a sunny and happy day. Great job,
It is the
Navi.
same as me.
What?
It's the same as mine. I mean, it's same as I'm talking.
Yes. See, that's what I keep on saying, Navi. It's the same as how you present it, which shows, Navi, that you really improved and every feedback you were able to apply it. That's great, Navi. I hope you'll be able to sustain that energy. Now, let us have this picture. This is speaking practice 36. Can you tell me where are the children? Where are they? Navi?
Um,
Navi?
yeah,
Navi? Can you tell me where are the children?
they're at the beach.
What are the two children playing?
They're playing tennis.
Is it tennis, Navi? Are you sure?
I think they're playing badminton.
Okay, yes, they
Oh, there's
are
a
playing.
ball. Here,
Here's the shuttlecock. Okay, yes. Now, where is the monkey?
monkey is on the coconut tree.
Okay, yes. Climbing. What is it doing?
It's he is climbing to take a coconut.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What color is the fish?
Mm. Can you make it bigger?
Okay, wait. Okay.
It's it's yellow.
It is orange, Navi. It's orange, not yellow.
Teacher, this will look like a snail,
Where? No, that's a bug.
but it's I see it's look like a snail.
Oh, it looks like a snail too. No, it is a bug, Navi. Can you tell me what is the fish doing?
The fish is swimming in the pond.
In the pond? No, it's not a pond.
It's a beach. I just
Okay,
checked.
yes. Oh, you're just kidding. I see. Now, Navi, that would be all for today. So on Wednesday, we'll continue with the rest. Thank you so much for your time. Why is your eyebrows like that? Okay, so I'll see you again on Wednesday, Navi. Thank you so much. Goodbye,
Bye, teacher.
Navi.